So today I wanted to share some of the work that Lattice has been doing to enable the rapid implementation of AI at the edge. And specifically, what I'm going to be going through is the work that we're doing to pair the flexibility and rapid prototyping of FPGAs with the ability to implement convolutional neural networks in chips that cost less than $10 and where the total power profile is less than 1 watt. So as a supplier of low-cost and low-power FPGAs, we get to engage with a lot of designers in the space of edge products. And within that design community, what we're seeing is, of course, a lot of drive to be able to do AI at the edge, to be able to push the processing right to the sensors, whether it's the image sensors, the audio sensors, or other kind of data. And of course, there's lots of reasons for that drive. I list a few of them here on this slide. So we see a lot of people really concerned about privacy, the privacy of their users' data. How can they protect that? We see a lot of people worrying about the increased regulation around personal data. And how can we simplify compliance with that regulation? Often bandwidth to the edge devices is a problem, so how can we reduce the amount of bandwidth we need? And also, how can we optimize our use of cloud computing? So every time we go talk to the cloud, there's a transaction and there's some money associated with that. I've got to transfer data. I've got to pay for some compute time. How can I reduce that? And lastly, there's a lot of concern about minimizing latency.